Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering both devices and enabling Bluetooth. Pair the earbuds as a headset. Once paired, open the companion app and enter fingerprint enrollment. This is the secure link that maps touch to control. Make sure your finger is clean and dry, because sensor reads depend on surface contact. Choose your dominant finger for consistent results. If prompted, confirm device firmware updates. They often fix recognition accuracy, so install updates before continuing. You now perform the enrollment steps. Tap and slide across the sensor exactly as the app instructs, varying pressure and contact points so the algorithm captures the full fingerprint pattern. Once done, repeat until 6-10 samples are stored. This redundancy improves recognition in different conditions. Make sure to save a clear profile name and assign functions, because each fingerprint can trigger distinct actions like play, skip, or assistant. After saving, test each action lightly to confirm responsiveness and timing. You finish by validating the gestures during normal listening. Try play, pause, and skip while walking and sitting. If performance lags, make small sensitivity adjustments in settings. This changes how strict the sensor is and why you might get misses. If false negatives persist, over 1/5 of attempts, re-enroll the fingerprint, especially after moisture or heavy dirt exposure. Finally, if the sensor fails repeatedly, reset the earbuds or apply the latest firmware update. Those steps often clear firmware glitches and restore reliable recognition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.